Welcome to Applied Intelligence Insights. I'm your host, Rajesh Yogi, and we are discussing the e-waste gold rush and the entire e-waste business. If you are looking for a new e-waste business or to start into this business stream, you are at the right place. So far we have discussed 3 videos and this one is the 4th one. You can watch all those 3 videos on the same channel and let's start the new 4th one. So, what we are going to discuss today? We are going to discuss the e-waste profit center. Where is the money? Show me the money. So, what we have done so far is we have collected the e-waste. Now, the real value is in extracting the real waste. So, now the real value extraction begins. The difference between a profitable venture and a simple scrap yard is a systematic dismantling process and a premium security service. This is what we are going to discuss today. This video dives into our pre-processing playbook, showing you how to turn clutter into cash and critically how to earn high margin contracts through secure data extraction. Pre-processing or dismantling is where you maximize your yield. Forget brute force. This is a staged, systematic process for maximum resource priority. Every item is separated by resource type, not machine type. The primary focus is on hazardous and high value recovery. Let's categorize and give me an example. Batteries. Those are immediately isolated and placed in a fireproof containers. This is non-negotiable compliance. LCD screens, carefully separated. The glass contains hazardous mercury while the plastic casing has value. Proper handling minimize contamination and safety risk. So this is how we do the component separation. In stage 2, what we do material categorization. After component removal, the remaining chassis is broken down into, let's say, plastic separation or the circuit boards. We use quick sorting methods to separate plastics into distinct bales. High purity plastic fetches a higher price for future recycling. For circuit boards, actually these are the true e-gold. Boards are removed from aggregation and sale to specialized metal refinery downstream with overseas recyclers. This manual systematic method ensures material purity, which is the applied intelligence of waste logistics, getting the most revenue per kilogram. And by the way, this everything is maintained in our data triage logistics system. Now, we also have a premium service, data sanitization. Our dismantling process is our bread and butter, but secure data sanitization is our margin corporate pitch. Banks, telecommunication, government agencies, They all fear data breaches. We can solve their biggest risk by providing this premium service. We pitch data sanitization as a premium auditable service, typically focusing on physical destruction. Let me explain three-step process. First is chain of custody. From the moment a hard drive or a solid state drive, SSD or HDD, is collected, it is tracked digitally using our Gemini powered application, which we have already explained in video 3. Then second step is physical shredding. The ultimate security is physical destruction. We recommend a certified high torque shredder that turns drives into unrecoverable metal confetti. We focus on HDD shredding as a visual, final and auditable solution. Now the third one is the crucial one. This step, we call it certification of destruction. This step is an absolute key. Upon shredding, we issue a certificate of destruction to the client, along with the timestamped photo, video, log of the destruction process. This audit trail justifies a 5x premium on the standard recycle fee. This focus on risk management transforms you from a recycler into a corporate security partner, a pillar of the applied intelligence model. Now let me conclude this video, and now you know how to generate two income streams: reliable material revenue from the systematic pre-processing and a high margin service revenue from secure data destruction. By setting up this dual stream operation requires a compliance framework, procurement of specialized equipment like certified shredders, and the necessary audit processes to win those lucrative corporate contracts using a digital platform. Our Applied Intelligence Insights team specializes in building this exact framework. We have the knowledge of dismantling SOPs, tailored manual for maximum resource recovery and staff safety. We have data sanitization steps, guidance on procurement, certification, and the legal documents needed from a premium service. And then also we have the corporate contract playbook, a step-by-step guide to pitch banks and large enterprises. If you are ready to build a safe, compliant and highly profitable e-waste venture, hit and subscribe this channel so we keep updating you on the latest. And by the way, don't just recycle intelligently. Thank you for your time, and let's keep chatting on the next video.